Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out the previous videos in this series, I started off the germination process only a few days ago, back on March the 5th. 3 days after I started the process, in that video you can see that one of the seeds had already started to germinate. The other two have not, and today I checked these and all three have really started to take off. So let's get into the little package and check them out. So I have not watered this at all since I started off the video back on March the 5th. Make sure I'm on camera here. So just to clarify, today is day 6. And there we have our 3 seeds right there. And these here are ready to be planted in some soil. Let's just open this right up and you can see them. Let me zoom in. So now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see these. And look at the amount of growth from these seeds. I actually checked these last night and I could see that there was growth on all 3 of them. And there we have them. I wanted to keep this video really short, so I just wanted to show you the activity that's going on. And now for the first time, I'm just going to give these a little bit of water. I'll fold this back up and get it back into my little baggie. And then later on today, I'll just shoot a little bit of video. I'm going to get these into some very small containers with a little bit of soil and get these started off. So there we have it. Super fast video. So if you want to see the progress of these little tomato plants, you can just keep watching my channel and I will continue on with the process through the life of the plant. So that's it for this really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate it. And if you recognize my voice, yes, you are right. I am the host over at the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I have over 500 video recipes on that channel. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.